Hello there, my name is Dan. Thanks for joining me on my first week of learning the Irish flute. Are you still there? Thanks for sticking around. This wasn't an easy video to get through, but I thought it was kind of interesting to put it together because it really showed my journey into the first week of Irish flute playing. A long way to go yet. You can see I am not experienced at this, and there's so many things that I have to work on. Thankfully, I have the leg up of having the whistle and low whistle experience and some uilleann piping experience that really learning the tunes and the fingering is not a challenge for me, but working on the embouchure is, and that is the biggest challenge right now. One thing this video didn't really get to show much of is just how much time I actually spent with the head joint of the flute and working on the embouchure either in front of a mirror or just practicing while I was watching a video or something, just making noises over and over again, trying to develop those muscles and figure out where I'm getting the best tone. It's going to be a while before I get that perfected. I've seen a lot of people say it takes, months and months to years to really refine that embouchure. And as I do so, I'll be able to probably hold longer phrases and waste less air. One thing I'm noticing right now is I just feel like I have no lung capacity because I'm blowing so much air out, and probably most of it is inefficiently being utilized. So I'm just wasting so much air. And again, more practice is going to fix that for me. It's been really fun. I'm enjoying it, but it definitely has some ups and downs. I can kind of find some days I was getting really frustrated and just had to put it down. And then I'd finally think I've got it. And then, I picked it up the next day and it was gone again. So it's going to be a journey, but it's lots of fun. In the next couple of weeks, I want to focus on two things. Firstly, I'm going to be working on getting that embouchure better and getting a better, stronger tone that doesn't have as much of that airy sound. And I also want to work on changing my grip from kind of a piper's grip where my fingers are straight to getting a more proper traditional flute grip. I did work on that a little bit this week, but I find it just slows me down. I can't get my ornamentation out. But I want to try and do it right. So in my next videos, watch for that. I'm hopefully going to be doing my proper grip technique, and we'll see how the tone changes and if I can improve my playing at all. If you're interested in learning the Irish whistle, I would highly suggest it. It's lots of fun. It has a very unique sound, and it's just something interesting to try. I know I was very curious, and I'm definitely going to try it for a little bit longer, and I'm hoping to stick with it. But yeah, it's just something different. That's all I'm going to say. It's definitely a challenge, though. Be prepared for that. So thanks for sticking around for this whole video, and we'll see you next time. Hopefully we have some progress to report in the future. Have a great day. Thanks for tuning in.